This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove Chrysler 300 headlights. First, you'll need to prepare your workspace and gather the right tools. Make sure your Chrysler 300 is turned off and has cooled down completely. This ensures safety and prevents any accidental electrical issues. You'll need a ratchet, appropriate sockets, and a trim removal tool to get started. This process involves a few key steps, beginning with the front bumper. Once prepared, the next crucial step is detaching the front bumper. Begin by locating and removing all the fasteners. These are typically found along the top edge, inside the wheel wells, and underneath the bumper. Use your trim removal tool for plastic clips and the ratchet for bolts. Remember to disconnect any electrical connectors for fog lights or sensors before fully pulling the bumper free. Take your time to prevent any damage to the paint or components. With the bumper successfully removed, you now have clear access to the headlight assemblies. Each headlight is typically secured by 2 or 3 mounting bolts. Use your socket wrench to carefully remove these bolts. After the bolts are out, reach behind the headlight unit and disconnect the main electrical connector. This usually involves pressing a tab and pulling. Once disconnected, gently wiggle and slide the entire headlight assembly straight out from its position. To reinstall your Chrysler 300 headlights, simply reverse the steps you just followed. Ensure all electrical connectors are securely attached and the mounting bolts are tightened. Before fully reattaching the front bumper, it's a good idea to test your headlights, turn signals, and any other lighting functions to confirm everything works correctly. This saves you from having to remove the bumper again if something isn't right. For other great deals and to upgrade your clean game, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and more.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.